Sorry for forgetting that. Like, this is the part 2 of the survival series. So, I made the iron golem thingy. So, now I'm never gonna do that last episode. You look at me. हाँ करेगा. What do you see? See me? Huh? Huh? Okay. So, oh my god, there's zombies burning over there. Yo! I gotta save. Shit. Then I have one heart. Bro, I gotta eat something before I die. Bread, give me that. I need it. Bro, I'm at 3 hearts. Did he drop his bow? No. Wait a second. I need to find Timmy. But actually, no, Timmy, I just need to find a wolf. Now that people now everything blood is blood here. Like bro, chill. It's just a bell. You're not so scared. They be scared. Ain't no way. Did I just find? Blood will get locking up. You know, should I need 7 more pieces, I know that, but should we make it? Yeah, let's keep it. I'll probably never even use that, but the zombies. Rin. Come in my house. So yeah. I'll keep it dying. What armor should I get first? I think iron armor. Let's see, what do I need? Where's the helmet? It can take a lot of iron, about 24 pieces. Why is my head? How much bread do I exactly need to eat? To be safer, I put torches. Well, I'll tell you something. This patch right over here, where there's still grass growing, well, it was kind of yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Okay, why did I say that? Yo, IG. So then actually no, today's goal I'm changing it. Instead of building my house completely, is to build a farm. But how are we going to get water? We need iron. So actually no, let's keep the goal as building my house. Building a proper house. I'm just gonna make I'm gonna make my ceiling out of planks. Then like a ground like here. Make that all into planks. So we get about 28 pieces. Much plank. I have a little bit of stone left. I can. Wait, I need to get some dirt. Okay. Yeah, I did something. No, Mintra, I hate you. Glitch. Stop showing it.
Hey, put the mobile net कर
Okay, I will turn it off after 5 minutes. Yes. My house, it's almost done. Let's go. So what the clash was happening? You gonna die? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Food. Give me food. Now, Bria, the witch almost literally killed me. The iron golem is almost dead. You. Okay. Outside. Hey there. Yeah, it was a bad idea going to the clash one with the iron golem, zombies, skeleton, and witches. No, but the iron golem needs mercy. Little bit of that. I wish I had some iron right now. Can I heal the iron golem? Okay, so yeah, that should be enough. Hello there. Oh wait. Should I kill the iron golem? Nah, I'm not gonna kill him. I'm nice. Okay. No, there's little skeletons outside. Then I'm gonna fill this area like that. But should I like put something up there like chests? Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. I think I can sleep. Yes. Yeah, this is. I'm just gonna leave after a little bit as after creating a furnace to complete my house. No! Can I help you? Yes. Let's go. Wait. Should I kill this guy? Nah, I'm not. Nah, bro is almost gonna die. Okay? Oh my god, bro is gonna die. Oh shit. Shit. I'm gonna die. Thank God. Bro, I almost died. Two more pieces. Yeah, that's enough. You saw that? The people almost killed me, but yeah. I managed to survive it. Now it's time to get a furnace. Don't ask me why there's dead rails at the app. I'll probably do the next as a video. So yeah. Here. As you guys know, I probably crafting a furnace. Wait, I needed 8. Put that back. And put it there. So yeah, so today's goal is completing our house. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye guys.